In primetime news this evening, report shows widespread mold problem at Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management. More bones found at Old Lodge building in St. Thomas. And later, no marine election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking what more can be done to reduce incidents of mob attacks. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.